In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your custom presets in DaVinci Resolve. If you've created your own export settings before and now you're trying to locate them again, this is actually very quick once you know where to look. In DaVinci Resolve, custom presets are found inside the Deliver page, which is where you manage your final export settings before rendering a project. To begin, go to the Deliver page. You can do that by selecting the Deliver workspace in Resolve. This section is dedicated to exporting your timeline, and it's where all of your render options are organized. Once you're there, direct your attention to the Render Settings panel. This panel is usually positioned on the left side, and it contains all the settings you would use to customize how your video is exported. Inside the Render Settings panel, you'll see an area for presets. Click on that Presets section to open it. This is the place where DaVinci Resolve groups together different render setups, including built-in options and any custom presets you've saved yourself. Normally, your custom presets will appear near the top of that list. So after you click into the Presets area, look toward the top first. That's typically where Resolve displays the custom ones, making them easier to access without having to scroll through the standard export templates. If you've saved presets for different platforms, codecs, or delivery formats, they should be listed there by name. A helpful tip here is to make sure you're definitely in the Deliver page and not another workspace, because custom export presets won't be visible in the same way elsewhere in the program, if you don't immediately see what you're expecting. Take a second to carefully expand the presets list and check the top section again, since that's the normal location for saved custom options. This is especially useful if you regularly export with the same settings and want to save time instead of manually re-entering everything each time. Once you find your custom preset, you can simply select it and continue with your render setup as needed. So, to recap, open the Deliver page, look under the Render Settings panel, click the Preset section, and your custom presets will normally be shown at the top. That's the fastest way to find them in DaVinci Resolve, and once you know the location, it becomes a very simple part of your export workflow.